In the previous video, we discussed about how we can create and use a isolate. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can pass arguments to a method which is running inside a isolate. So we need to make some changes here. Earlier, we were passing initial value 1 here. Now I want to pass initial value as a argument, right? But now I am getting this error. The argument type double function double can't be assigned to the parameter type feature or double. To solve this, we need to add a callback here because we want to return the value which we are going to get from the calculate method from this callback. Now we can pass the argument here. I'm going to pass 10 here. Now let's hot restart and run the computation. Now everything is working smoothly. You can pass any number of arguments, whichever you want, using this way, right? I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.